in the world of commodities. We have Manisha Gupta joining in. Manisha, I don't know how much of this is having an impact on your universe as well. Tell us, what do you have your eye on?
So, as of now, we have seen most of the tangible commodities continue to hold firm. There are just so many concerns, uncertainties in the world that the commodities really seem to be taking benefit of all of that right now. The major clue clearly comes in from the dollar index, which is now trading below 104. It was above 105 just last week. So we've come nearly 200 basis points on the lower side on this one, and 0.5% of a decline on your screens right now. Apart from that, it also is about the payroll data that has come in on the positive sides, with the markets now anticipating that the interest rate hike could be at 25 basis points yet again. It was only last week that there was an 80% probability of a 50 basis point rate hike, and now there's a 70% probability of a 25 basis rate hike, and that clearly seems to be supporting many of these commodities. So if you look at the steel prices, we're trading at an 8-month highs. Iron ore prices are trading at a 7-month highs rather. And if you look at copper, we are back above $4 onto this one as well. China demand has continued to improve. We are getting into peak construction season as the next quarter begins. Also, China is expected to set out more stimulus measures, especially when it comes to infrastructure, construction and consumption, and that has been supportive for many of these industrial metals. In precious metals as well, gold is trading at a 4-week high, silver at a 2-week high. A smart jump is what we've seen in platinum and palladium as well. Here as well, when you look at the crude oil prices, we've seen last week see 4% decline, but today we're trading nearly a percentage point on the higher side. Also supporting crude is the latest data that came in from US on Friday, which suggests that the rig count right now in US is the lowest since June. So there are supplies in US which have continued to decline as well. Markets will watch out for the US CPI data that comes in tomorrow now, and this is going to be the last important event ahead of the Fed meeting that happens on 22nd of March.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for getting us all of those